Dezzie here. I have been gone for quite a while. I've mentioned it before. My father's ill. I had to fly 3,000 miles to go home for a few weeks and be with my father. He's got cancer, so actually he's got chemo today. Good luck, Dad. So I've been away dealing with very important stuff. So I am back. I loved Oregon, great visit, back in Virginia. And I had stuff waiting for me. Yeah, maybe you know what this is, just looking at the bag. Do you? Do you? Probably not. Maybe this is more your pace. Don't speak Russian? Do I? Niet. No, I don't. I haven't opened it, obviously. Not opened, okay? It's my Playtronica TOUCHME MIDI controller. Now, since these are fairly looking like they're gaining popularity, I don't know anyone that has one yet. So I'm the first to like my friends group, but I have a feeling they're going to take off, and I've seen quite a few videos uploaded. I uploaded a video, check it. I'm going to go ahead and put a card right here, and which gives you the background on this device from the words of the inventor himself. His name is Sasha. Super cool, young inventor from Russia. The MIDI controller is it's a MIDI controller. You can play with it to make your own beats and stuff like that. I really want to open this. Like, I'm very excited. When I ordered it, they already sent me the manual. I did not read it. It was like 1 page. So like, you know, but I do know that you have to use a synthesizer in your computer for this device to work optimally. So I went to their website. They have they have synthesizers on their website. And it's actually called play.playtronica.com. This is where you find the synthesizers. They have a whole range of them. They're available to use online. You don't even need the controller to use any of them really, except for 2 of them. And there's about 7. I'd say there's about 7. So let's bust this thing open. I'm really jazzed. Okay. And also, this got here super fast. I don't know why, but in my head, maybe because I just don't order crud from Russia, then I'm like, oh, it's going to take so much longer than China. It is taking much faster than China's time. Like, you know, I might just start ordering stuff from Russia all the time. Who knows? I might just do that. So guess what, China? Das Vidania. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to bend it. Oh, shit, I'm already bending it. Huh? Ooh. You see? It says Playtronica right here. Big fan of the colors. And that's what the device essentially looks like right here. You see this? Except for there's going to be little stuff here and here. But the idea is one person holds one side, another person holds the other side while it is hooked into a computer. And with their other free hand, they can touch the other person and music will play based on the pressure and how you touch and everything. Instantly super simple packaging, it looks like. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know what? You Russians have bad rap, at least in my country. Okay. But you guys can crack a bottle of vodka with me anytime. Put stickers in this. Stickers. Okay, I know I'm a 90s kid, so this is probably why. Highlights magazine and all that good stuff. Definitely Highlights magazine. Stickers are legit. They're awesome free gifts, by the way, companies. Great, especially when it has their name on it and logo and stuff. Great advertising. People love stickers, and if they don't, children do, and there's billions of children. So cool. It says this is our homage to Memphis group of design and architecture that designed postmodern furniture. Huh. Cool. These were created by their Playtronica designer, inspired by this artist. 15% discount for you and your friends. Use promo code. Wait till the end and I'll tell you. All instructions are online. Stickers, A+. I don't know why I blew it off. There's no dust on it. But I just, ooh. Okay, I want you to see how thin this is. You see this? Very thin. One person holds one side, one person holds the other side. You can do it with yourself. You don't need to know music theory or know how to use MIDI controllers or synthesizing software to use this. Okay, we are getting serious in here. Oh. Art history major. I really am digging. I would like to give you props, madam. Aglaya. I think that's right. Is it Aglaya? Aglaya Demidunko. Demidunko. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and call you AD. Designer AD for Playtronica. Aglaya, you're the shiznit. Because I have a feeling you were behind this little sticker. I want to show it to you guys. It's so cute. But this is from the creation of Adam by Michelangelo. It's a ceiling, the Sistine Chapel, but they added a TOUCHME device in there, which is just... That's awesome. It's the only thing that's in there. That's it. There's niet else. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and just plug this thing in, and it's got just a regular USB and a micro USB, and super jazzed. Okay, here we go. Okay, plugged into computer. It is plugged in. This is sick. Wow. Okay, I'm gonna turn it towards you guys because I'm not messing with you here. Okay, guys, that's it from me. I hope you guys liked playing with Playtronica. Thank you, Playtronica. You guys are awesome for making such a neat thing. The inventor, Sasha, you're a genius. I can't wait to try it out with other people. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for helping me build my channel, and pick you up one of these and let me know what you guys think about it. I'm curious what you guys think. So let me know, and don't forget to grab that code. It's in the description below. Bye, guys.